Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be learning how to use the MT3608 module. This one to step up your voltage. This is a boost converter used to step up your voltage from as low as 2 volts up to 28 volts. So this side is the input. You can see it's written V in, and this side is the output how you connect your load. So today we'll be trying to boost our voltage from 5 volts to 12 volts to power our 12 volts 12 volts fan. So let's get started. So this is my 5 volts power supply, and I'll try to boost it using this one to get 12 volts. And we'll first measure this. This is the potentiometer, which you can adjust. You can adjust the voltage output using this potentiometer from as low as 3 volts to 20 volts. So let's try connecting it. So guys, you can see that we have connected our 5 volts power supply, and let's measure the input and output using a multimeter and see what happens. So this is a multimeter. Let's measure the input and the output. Mhm. As you can see, the input voltage is 4.45 voltage, and let's see what the output is. You can see our output is about 12 volts. So let's try connecting our load and see if it works. This is a 12 volts fan, and I want to connect it to the 5 volts power supply and see if it rotates. So let's connect it. As you can see, it is working, and the boost converter is doing the job properly. So you can see I've boosting the voltage from 4 volts to 12 volts. You can boost your voltage up to 28 volts, and this is how a boost converter works. So boost converters are mostly used for battery powered projects, and you can see I'm using my battery here to power the fan. So that's all. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe.